Hi, this is Missy. Today we're going to talk about what to do with tofu. Tofu is one of the ingredients a lot of women use in the Asian countries, not just for the benefits of getting a nice complexion, also the nutrients. You can see one example in Japan. Japanese women have been eating tofu for years, not only for the health benefits, also look good, look healthy and live longer. You can use tofu all day long, from breakfast, lunch, dinner, and also desserts. People that know me will have already tasted my cheesecake with silken tofu and also the brownie that has tofu and chocolate in it too. If you want to use tofu as your appetizer, one very easy way to do it is use a packet of silken tofu with grounded ginger and some nice green and very light soy, and that is a really attractive appetizer. For breakfast, you can use tofu, a medium firm tofu, to replace scrambled eggs. For lunch, you can have so many choices. You can put the tofu in your fried rice or in your salad. You can also put tofu in your soup, and beautiful way to have soup and salad. And in dinner time, you can make the most popular dish. It's called mapo tofu. It's from Sichuan province in China. The way that they do this dish is really simple. You just need to have some hot sauce, some bean paste, and the nice firm, medium firm tofu. You saute them and put them together. Sometimes you can add some minced soy protein, and you can also add a little bit of celery and add a little bit of crunchiness in it. That is your famous dish, mapo tofu. You can also put them into your burger, like a tofu burger, but nobody will know about it. Now, the other thing I want to mention is, quite often when I invite friends to go to the restaurants in Melbourne, some of them don't even know the sweet and sour pork that they're eating. No pig's been killed. And the combo chicken are so tasty and juicy and yummy, but there's no chooks being killed. They're all made from tofu. Can you imagine that? There are so many ways that you can use tofu, and if you like to get some recipes from me, please comment. I will send that to you. And if you have any other questions about tofu, let me know. And I hope this short video helps you to understand the versatility of tofu. Until next time, be well, be happy. This is